Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually start dropshipping on ebay.com. Now, one of the things that you have to keep in mind is the principle and strategy that you need to implement in order to become a successful dropshipper on eBay. Now, there's a lot of elements that you have to keep in mind, and what we have done is that we've gone into great detail and researched all the successful dropshippers across the globe and looked at the strategies that they implemented that help them scale their business in order to become successful dropshippers, and the mistakes that they did, so you shouldn't do those mistakes. And obviously we have done all the hard work for you, and we've made a lot of videos which are available on our channel. So if you haven't checked our channel out, go ahead, check it out. And if you haven't subscribed to it, subscribe to it, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any of the videos that we're bringing to you guys. Now, the first thing that you need to understand is, how does eBay actually work? If you haven't registered on it, register it right now onto eBay. Then the main thing that comes, that eBay is a platform, is an e-commerce platform that can give you an opportunity to buy, to sell, and to trade. But there's different dynamics to it that you need to understand. There's something called an auction, there's something called a fixed price, and obviously there's something called buy it now. So there's a lot of things that we'll look at in today's video. So obviously stay tuned till the end to understand exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it. Now, on the main page, you'll see that you have electronics, you have motors, you have fashion, collectible and arts, and sports with health and beauty, industrial equipment, home and garden, deals and sell as well. Now, all these elements are things that you can actually start selling on eBay, and these are different niches and categories that exist. What you need to do is understand exactly what kind of niche you want to get into. And obviously the thing which I always mention to individuals is, make sure that you understand the niche you're getting into, the consumer psychology and the philosophy by which you want to run your dropshipping business, because that is crucial. What a lot of people do, and the mistakes they tend to do, is that they focus on too many niches. They don't double down on a thing that actually sells, and that causes a lot of problems, and that is what you should not do. I'm going to show you exactly what items to get, what items to sell, and obviously how to research these items and select different items that are evergreen. So the first thing we want to do is check out the electronic niche. Now, the electronic niche is quite interesting, because at the end of the day, electronic things are the ones that can give you the maximum return on your investment, meaning the cost is going to be low, the profit is going to be high, and the profit margin can only grow. There's so many different niches you can get into: cell phone and smartwatches and accessories, computers, TV and videos, cameras and photos, video games, surveillance, audios and headphones, Apple and car electronics, and GPS. Now, the thing I always mention to individuals is to select a sub niche in that niche that really works, that everyone is interested in, that is not actually catering to one gender. It's for males, it's for females, it's for kids, it's evergreen, it's not based on vacations or holidays. It is for everyone to use at every precise moment in time. Now, the thing over here that I always recommend individuals to do is research and to select the right one. So let's go to cell phones, smartwatches, and accessories and see what kind of niches exist within this particular domain. Now, you don't want to sell cell phones, because cell phones are very difficult to get right. It's a heavy investment to go for. You want to make sure that your initial investment is as low as possible. You could increase it, you could decrease it, that you're not going to get a significant hit on it, but at the same time it gives you a good return. So what we're going to do is we're going to select one of these subcategories over here. I think cell phone cases and covers is something that is interesting, and that is something that is not going to cost us a lot of money to get into. Now, as you can see, these are costs of these elements over here: $19, $8, $19. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see these particular items that are being sold. 242 have been sold between $6 to $8. This is something that's been sold for $10.57. This is something that is sold 186 times at $2 to $4. So this is an interesting niche. The investment that you need to put in initially isn't that high. The return, we'll find out if it's good or not. So how do you do that? It's quite simple. Head over to the Sellers Hub over here, and once you go over there, there is an option called research. And once you go to the research, what this does is it gives you a complete breakdown of how this product is actually doing. So we were searching for phone cases, so let's search for phone cases over here. And then after searching for phone cases, I want to see how this had done for the last year. So let's check for the full research for the one last year, how the phone cases were doing. So the average price was $10.94. The shipping average price was $4.99. 1.6 million had been sold. There's only 38,971 sellers and a total sale of $17.8 million off just one product. And if you look at the graph over here, throughout the year it's being sold. So this is the average price it was throughout the year that it was being sold for. So let's say $10 to $11 is what we're looking at as a price range for this product that you can actually sell it for. You want to make sure that you get the product as low as possible in order to increase your profit margin. So if it's being sold for $10 to $11, you want to get it for $4, $3, $2, $1, even under $1 to ensure that you have a very good profit margin. Now, if I scroll down and if you look at this individual who sold it at $8.32 with an average shipping of $20, sold 34,352 of these with a total sale of $285,000. That is massive off just one product. So just off one product in 1 year, this person made $300,000 off one product. If I scroll down, 89,000, 62,000, 60,000, 50,000, 42,000, 28,000. This is in 1 year what these individuals, these drop shippers, these individuals are making off one product. If they have multiple products, they can easily scale their drop shipping store to 100, 500,000, 1 million quite easily. Just off one product in this particular niche in 1 year, they've made $17.7 million. So this is massive, guys. This is an evergreen product. This is a product people are interested in. So let's go and check this product out. So this is individuals that made around 300,000 off just this product for an iPhone 14 Pro Max cover. And this is how they're doing it. This is what their store looks like. They have the description, they have the shipping options available. And this isn't rocket science, guys. The main element is getting the product as low as possible. How do you do that? It's quite simple. Just head over to cjdropshipping.com. Now, cjdropshipping.com is quite interesting, guys, because you can get the best possible price and the shipping time can be very feasible as well. For example, they have a lot of warehouses. So if you're based on the US, you can select a US warehouse. If you're based in Thailand, in China, whatever warehouse is near you, you can select that particular product from that warehouse and get it shipped directly to you. There's so many options available. They have trending products, they have products, they have new products, they have video products, they have super deals, they have hot selling categories, they have brand sections, they have print on demand. They also have recommended elements as well. And this is a particular platform that you can integrate with your eBay store and get all this information onto your eBay. So let's search for phone cases and see how much these phone cases are on CJ Dropshipping. Now, we already know that they're being sold for between $10 to $11, but we want to get this product as cheap as possible to make sure that we can increase our profit margin. Now, look at this. This product is worth $2.33. This product is worth $1.11. This product is worth 97 cents. This product is worth $3. If you look at the product over here, this is that product that we were looking at. If just have a look at it. And then if you go back, this is the exact same product for 97 cents. Imagine if we can get this product and then getting this product at 97 cents. We're selling this for $10. Sell it for $9.99. Imagine the profit margin that you're going to make off just one product. And you can see where it's being shipped from. You're seeing the inventories. They have so much available, so you can easily get this product and get it shipped to you. It is as simple, straightforward as that. They have the full details about the product, which is going to be given in below. So you have your descriptions, your merchant, your buyer information. So this is what it's going to look like. And all these pictures can be taken from here and put onto your eBay account, and you're good to go, guys. It is as simple, straightforward, easy as that. And that is how you select a winning product. For every single product that you want to think of, this is the process for it. If you have any questions, guys, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.